Hi everyone, welcome to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I'm a guest reviewer for Wig Studio One. Today the style that I'm going to be showing us is Luna. It's by Jon Renau, and the one that I'm wearing is in the color Palm Springs Blonde. Now this style was gifted to me by Wig Studio One, and I'm going to have their purchase information below this video, okay? Okay everybody, let me turn around and show you this darling style by Jon Renau. Luna is made with heat-friendly fibers, and that means that you can style this piece if you want to. You know, if you wanted to put a few curls up here or anything you wanted to do with your flat iron or your curling iron, you could do this because this is heat defiant. Okay, well, I just immediately want to show you this. This is Jon Renau's Smart Lace Front. The lace is really thin and just melts right into my forehead, and this has an extended lace front that goes down into the ear tab. So just let me show you this beautiful lace front. It's just absolutely flawless. I have a 22-inch circumference. All of my measurements are average, and this cap just feels like it was made for me. I think that this would fit, you know, petite to perfectly average very comfortably. And my coverage is wonderful. My coverage on the sides. It's a very comfortable cap. So you can see that Luna has some volume on top. Let me just move it around so that you can get an idea. And it tucks behind the ears. The nape lays just really flat to the back of my neck. So Luna has that lace front, and it ends right here. The rest of this is closed cap. So this is the only, you know, this is the lace front with no other mono features, is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Well, let me tell you what it says for the description of Palm Springs Blonde. I also just took a little tiny video of this color kind of in some sunlight, and I'll add it to the end with a little short video of what the inside of this cap looks like, okay? For Palm Springs Blonde, it says light ash blonde with pure white, natural bold highlights, shaded with dark natural ash blonde. I'll put the color code right up here on the screen to Palm Springs Blonde. Okay, well, the bang on Luna is 5 to 6 inches. I'm 8 inches from the top of my forehead to the bottom of my chin. If that'll help to tell you or show you, you know, where this might fall on you. But there's the pretty bang on Luna. The crown is 6 inches. The sides are 3.5 inches. The nape is 1.75 inches, and this style weighs 2.4 ounces. Okay, I just think Luna is beautiful. She just has fullness and body. There's minimal, very low, minimal permatease on this style. I mean, I can feel a little bit right here on the sides. Really none at the crown and none at the nape, just a little here on the sides, but it's very minimal. It's not the poofy, pillowy kind. So you could part Luna on the other side if that's what you wanted to do, because it has that closed cap, you know, that just allows you to part this style where you want to part it. And you could for sure pull Luna up off of your face if that's what you wanted to do, because of that gorgeous smart lace front by Jon Renau. Just a beautiful, beautiful style. Okay, I'm going to turn around one more time and show you the back of Luna. Okay, everybody, please stay with me. Here comes a look at the inside of the cap, okay? Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time. I want to show you this Palm Springs blonde just in my house in front of a window with nothing but natural light. Luna has this lace front that extends down into the ear tabs, a soft ear tab with a good metal stay, Velcro adjusters, and this extended soft nape, and then the rest of the cap is open wefted.